What would you say if you walked into a hotel and had to book a room in English? Would you feel confident or stuck? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to handle a real hotel conversation in English, step by step. Let us get started.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi, thank you.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to book a room for tonight.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
No problem. We have a standard room, a deluxe room, and a suite available.
Could you tell me the difference?
Sure. The standard room is simple and comfortable. The deluxe room is more spacious and has a nicer view. The suite includes a separate living area and a balcony.
Okay, I think I'd prefer something quiet.
In that case, I'd recommend the deluxe room.
All right, how much is the deluxe room per night?
It's $120 per night.
Okay, that sounds reasonable.
How many nights will you be staying?
Just one night. Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is complimentary.
Great. What time is breakfast served?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Do you have a gym or a pool?
Yes, both are available for guests.
That's good to know. Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free throughout the hotel.
Would it be possible to see the room first?
Of course, I can show you the deluxe room.
That would be great, thank you. Please follow me.
This is our deluxe room.
Oh, it looks really nice.
It comes with a queen-size bed, a desk, and a minibar.
I love the view.
Yes, it's one of our quieter rooms.
That's exactly what I was looking for. Is there room service available?
Yes, room service is available 24 hours.
I think I'll take this room.
Excellent choice.
It's comfortable and very quiet.
I'll just need your ID, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Could you please fill out this form?
Of course.
You'll be staying for one night, correct?
Yes, that's right. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
All right, thank you.
Here is your key card, room 305.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation? What kind of room would you prefer? How many nights will you be staying? Would you like a room with a view? The deluxe room is $120 per night. Is that okay? Breakfast is included. Would you like to know the timing? May I see your ID, please? Here is your key card. Enjoy your stay.